My name is Fun. Welcome to FunFun Busy Bags. I made busy bags for my 3-year-old daughter to do some preschool with her and keep her busy and entertained indoors screen-free. Teach your little ones the alphabet, numbers, colors, shapes, and more in fun ways. In this video, 20 Spring and Easter Busy Bags for Toddlers and Up, Part 2, I will show you how quick, easy, and inexpensive it is to put together the last 10 busy bags with spring and Easter themes. For those of you who have never heard of a busy bag contains an activity for a kid to learn through play. Most of the items I used for these busy bags are from Dollar Tree that are available in the stores now. Assume that the items are from Dollar Tree unless I note otherwise. Let's get started! Please check the previous video, 20 Spring and Easter Busy Bags for Toddlers and Up, Part 1, link in the description box for information on where I purchased my favorite pencil pouches and binder rings. I recently discovered these binder pouches at Dollar Tree. They are great for bigger, bulkier, busy bag activities. I just use a hole punch at the corner and hold them together with a binder ring. Number 11. Grab these clear bunny, chick, carrot, Easter eggs and fill them with 10 pom-poms for color matching and counting to 10 and practicing fine motor skills with this big plastic clothespin from Rite Aid. My 3-year-old daughter hasn't mastered using this clothespin yet, so I want her to practice. You can include any of these tongs and this one from the Sneaky Snacky Swirl game. You can also substitute the pom-pom with these foam balls, which are called glitter vase fillers, and number flashcards. Your kid will pick a card and pick up the correct number of balls with these tongs from the learning resources, which came in a set of other tools. 1, 2, 3. Number 12 is a laminated free printable. My 3-year-old matches the honeybees with Velcro dots to the correct numbers. Number 3. Number 8. She also likes to cover the numbers with these caps I repurposed from milk jugs and use a permanent marker to write numbers 1 through 10 on. Number 1. Number 6. In an upcoming video, I will show you many ways to repurpose items from your recycle bins to use in your busy bags. Number 13 is another laminated free printable, Frog Life Cycle. Your kid will learn about the frog cycle on one side and then put them in order on the other side. There's a bonus chart. What do frogs eat to grow? Yes. No. You can include a frog piggy bank for your kid to paint or leave as is. My daughter likes to put coins in the piggy bank. If your kid still puts stuff in his mouth, avoid this activity until he is older or do it under strict supervision. Include number cards for your kid to put in the correct number of coins. Number 2, 1, 2. Number 14. I saw lots of possibilities when I spotted this hummingbird feeder. Hang it outside where your kid can observe the hummingbirds from inside the house. Pick up a few pouches of hummingbird nectar. Grab another one for these activities. Unscrew the bottle from the base and top. And you can use it for posting with foam balls, pom-poms, straws cut in short lengths, Q-tips, and decorative picks. Include a pair of tongs as another method to pick up the foam balls and pom-poms. Posting, putting objects in a small opening, is a great fine motor activity and so fun for young kids. Number 15. To prepare young kids to write, use this printable for pre-writing practice with a dry erase marker. My 3-year-old scribbles with abandon. She's learning to make deliberate lines and longer controlled lines with these line tracing exercises. There are pre-writing workbooks available, but you can print some out with numerous free printables online. All the free printables I've mentioned are noted and linked in the description box. I bought these pencil pouches, which are more expensive than my favorite 97-cent ones, at Walmart, but I had to grab some of these when I saw them in the clearance aisle. I love that they are clear and have fun graphics of items that my daughter loves, like unicorns, rainbows, and ice cream. Number 16. Go big for Easter with these big Easter eggs, which are the perfect size for rhyming word sliders. Pig, rig, wig. And simple math add to 5 sliders. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. I used dot stickers and wrote with a permanent marker. This is a fun foam egg holder from Target. Put some of these battery-operated tea lights in the big eggs and have a glow-in-the-dark egg hunt, indoors or outdoors if your family is adventurous. You can also put glow sticks in the eggs. While you're outdoors, your kid can do a backyard scavenger hunt with this laminated free printable. I make copies for all of my kids. Number 17. I had to pick up these dinosaur Easter eggs because all my kids love dinosaurs. I included a play mat, some rocks, some greenery, for my daughter to play with the small dinosaur figures that will hatch from the eggs. This playmat was included in a tube of dinosaur figures from Walmart. You can make your own playmat with markers or paint on a larger piece of paper or cardboard, or even felt. This can be a fun bonus activity for your kid. Or you can laminate these free printables. Number 18 is so simple but so fun for the little ones with no mess. There are so many window clings designs to choose from. Like this one. Number 19. I bought these foam stickers from Michael's to use in a matching game. Your kid can also sort them by category. Eggs, flowers, butterflies. Last but not least, number 20. When I saw these adorable bird buddies online, I knew I had to make them and come up with an activity for them. I had so much fun making them in one evening. You can also make them with your kid. You need clothespins, feathers, and googly eyes. I painted the clothespins with acrylic paint. There are colored clothespins at Walmart if you don't want to paint. Since I was already painting, I went and painted a set of clothespins and wooden golf tees to be used in future busy bag activities. The beaks are cut from orange construction paper. You can easily draw a triangle with an orange crayon or marker on paper and cut it out. I created a perch with 2 cans and a twig. Your kid can clip the birds on the twig sorting by color and placing them in order from 1 to 10. I use number stickers. You can also use a wire shelf like this stepped one, or use a flat one for your kid to clip the birds on. Purple, purple. Another activity is to clip the birds to a line and images of birds. Here, I use an existing kids' art display I created with a ribbon and ceramic hooks from World Market. You can use just plain hooks or push pins. The images of birds are from a free printable which I laminated for durability. Your kid can learn to recognize some common birds and say their names. A bonus activity is to use the free printable as a bird scavenger hunt in your backyard, in your neighborhood, at the park, or in the woods. Please tune in for the next video, 10 more spring-themed busy bags for Toddlers and Up, where I bring you more amazing ideas to celebrate spring's arrival. Thank you for watching. If you like my content and would like to see more, please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. I'm so excited to meet a milestone of 100 subscribers. Please join the FunFun family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you for spending some time with us. At FunFun Busy Bags, we hope to inspire you to create fun activities for your kids to play, learn, and grow.